Hello, welcome to Osaka Marine. We're a distinguished manufacturer of spare parts catering to a diverse range of vehicles, including Harley-Davidson, outboards, jet ski, snowmobiles, ATVs, chainsaws, motorcycles, agriculture tractors, and trucks. We, based in Taiwan, bring more than 20 years of expertise to the industry, supported by global partnerships that affirm our commitment to delivering superior quality materials. Upgrade your snowmobile's performance with our top-of-the-line Piston Kit, OEM part number 09-750. Crafted with precision and durability in mind, this kit is engineered to enhance your ski-doo's power and reliability in the most demanding conditions. The Piston Kit 09-750 features a bore diameter of 59.5 mm, specifically tailored for compatibility with Ski-Doo's 340 cubic centimeters engine, boasting a two-cylinder configuration. This kit is a perfect fit for models such as the 1978 Blizzard 6500 Plus and the 1980 Blizzard 7500 Plus. Included in the Piston Kit are essential components for seamless installation and optimal performance, comprising one piston, one ring, two clips, and one pin. For further product specifications and details, please visit our website at www.osakamarine.com and enter the OEM part number into their search bar. Or contact us. Osaka Marine Industrial Co., Limited. Mail, seller@osakamarine.com. Web, www.osakamarine.com. WhatsApp, +88698 for 252201. Thank you.